Excellent job, sir. No left on the drinking fountain. Keep it up, Tiger. Pick a winner for me. Keep up the great work.
Thanks for your support. Nice shoes, Clarence.
Thanks, my mom picked them out. I think they're nice too. Yes.
Hey, Dustin, you guys want to come over to my house after school today? I got the new Space Moles game.
Hey there, Belson. For being such a good Belson, here's your very own Clarence Dollar, just for you. Spend it wisely. Come on, fellas.
Give me my money.
That won't be necessary.
Who the heck are you?
Let's just say I'm your new mom. Here's a Clarence Dollar. Son, unhand this fellow. Now get out of here.